back. So today I am so excited to announce my first ever collaboration video. So this is going to be an open collaboration. Anyone is welcome to participate if they would like to. In the title of your video, I would like for you to put Fall Collab hosted by BobbyCatsKitten. So if you would like to participate in this collaboration, the only thing you'd have to do is you have to show me a DIY or two that you've done, or you can show a DIY video of you making a DIY, or you can, for my home decor sisters out there, you can show a home decor video. So it's very open to anyone who would like to participate. So videos will be due on September the 2nd, which is the first day that I feel like fall officially begins. So videos will be due September 2nd. And yeah, what you'll do is you'll just come back to this video. I will post a link where you will upload your videos, and that is it. Again, all you have to do is show me the DIYs that you have done, or do a DIY video like I love to do, or you can show me a room tour. So 3 different options that you have. Alright guys, so without any further ado, let's get into this week's DIY. I'll be taking this mirror from my local craft store. I'll also be taking these gems from Efavormart. So what I'm doing here is just hot gluing my gems around the perimeter of my mirror. And as you can see here, I have chosen to lay my gems down on their side. It just made it easier to glue them on than trying to stand them up. And so this is how the mirror looks once I have all the gems on. And so I'm just going to be flipping it over now. Guys, this is just a top that I had in my cupboard, and I'm just going to be using this to draw a circle. Now I'll be going in with this bling wrap from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to be eyeballing the length of the ribbon that I am going to cut. And now I'm just cutting my bling strip into individual. So right here I am lining up my bling strip from my previous cut so that I can measure out a shorter piece because I want these to give the staggered impression. I'll be cutting this a little bit shorter. So right here, I'm just showing you that you don't need a lot of glue to hold these on. Just a little bit of glue will do the job. I'll be going in with these gems from Efavormart. So once I have everything all glued down, I'm going to go back in with that top that I used earlier, and I'm going to use this so that I can glue down my gems, and it'll be easy for me to lift the strip up off of that without risking damaging my mirror. I'll be going in with these gems that I picked up from my local craft store. I'll be using fishing line to tie on my gems. So now that I have the top portion of my project finished, I'm going to move on to this. I'm going to be going in with this glass from Dollar Tree, and I'll be taking it out to my garage to spray paint. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so, as well as hitting that notification bell so that you don't miss a video. Okay, so for the next DIY, I'll be going in with these bowls from the Dollar Tree. Right here, I'm just freestyling a circle so that I can go back in with my soldering iron. Using these gems from Efavormart, and so for this project I had to hold them in place for a few seconds to make sure that the hot glue sets in place, so you'll see me doing that periodically throughout this DIY. Next, I'll be going in with my large diamond-shaped gems from Efavormart. I'm gonna go in with my bling wrap from the Dollar Tree. here just cutting my bling wrap vertically so that it will form a nice circle around my bowl and I won't have any lift when I go to glue it down. Here I'm using a napkin ring from the Dollar Tree as well as a lamp extension that I picked up from the Home Depot. So everybody, that's it. That's all I have today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this little video. If you have, don't forget to hit that subscription button as well as hitting the notification bell so you are notified whenever I upload a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.